All right, just got my remote control and it is chargeable, all right? So you don't have to worry about batteries. Now, this remote control works with pretty much a lot of the Sony devices, all right? Right now I have it tether in because I actually use this to zoom in, zoom out to when I'm recording objects on the table, all right? So this is very necessary to have the controller because right now currently what I'm using is this large one right here, and it's a tripod that it came with, and I don't like using this one. The batteries run out all the time. It's not rechargeable. You got to replace them all the time. Now I wanted something like this. This is a small little device that it's going to do the same exact thing that this larger one does. All right, so we're going to show you guys how to put it together and how it works. We're going to go ahead and set up the controller, and the way you go into abouts, you got to make sure you know your functions on your camera. So I'm going to go menu on this one, and you're going to go to the globe part, the top right there, and then you look for Bluetooth settings here on the bottom. You hit the connections and you see pairing, all right? And then now it's on pairing mode, so now we're going to turn this on, all right? And it's looking for it, scanning, if you guys can see, performing. So it's performing to connect to the device right now, and it's going to look for the name of the actual system. If not, you could just hit this button here. All right, once you set it in pairing and it's still scanning, you hold this button down here, and now it's going to sync up. There it is. You want to okay it, you say okay, and now it's going to sync up this with the system. All right, so hit okay, and that's it. We're set right now. So let's get out of here, and now we're in the function. Now if you guys can see, you can zoom in, you can zoom out. So I'm going to hold it here. I'm going to hit the button, zoom in, zoom out, and then you can always record. Hit the record, starts recording, stop. My setup, if you guys see it, I have my OBS here, the camera's up here. I'm able to zoom in, zoom out with the remote control, just as simple as that. So if you guys are looking for something to control it from even far away, not only that, taking pictures, self-portraits. Look at this. I'm gonna put the mouse right here so you guys can see it. I could zoom out just by pushing the wrong button. Zoom out, zoom in. So if you guys are looking for a great control, simple to set up, as long as you understand your camera. I hope you guys enjoy the video.